Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to lesson 2 here on Free Code Camp. We are on the JavaScript data structures and algorithms certification, and we'll be starting at lesson 6. So we're going to be starting with understanding case sensitivity and variables. So these are good practice, how you should write your variables. This camel case, which is, as you can sort of deduce here, it's going lowercase, uppercase, right? So here it's going to end in the uppercase, then end in lowercase, start with uppercase. So modify the existing declarations and assignments so their names use camel case. So we're going to say steadily cap var. I'll just write it under here so we can see the difference. So we'll see steadily cap var. Then I'll get rid of that one. Proper camel case and title case should have a value of 10. So we'll say steadily cap var is 10. Proper camel case should have a value of a string. And title case, let's just fix this one. Title case over, we just need to fix that and clean that one up. Let's run this. Good to go. Okay, number 2, add 2 numbers with JavaScript. So let's go ahead and do that. So sum should equal 20. So the way we can do this is just by adding another 10 here, and now 20 is stored in sum. Okay, cool. Subtract one number from another, so same sort of thing. So make the variable difference equal to 12. Okay, so to make it equal to 12, we would put, what would we put here? 33, I think so, yeah. So let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Multiply 2 numbers with JavaScript. Okay, so change the zeros so the product will equal 80. So now we'll just do 8 times 10, and that'll give us 80. And finally, number 5, divide one number by another with JavaScript. So make the quotient equal to 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is divide it by 33. And this should give us 2. Let's go back to the curriculum right here. And so we're on 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. So next up, in lesson 3, we will be incrementing a number with JavaScript. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the description box for courses on React and JavaScript. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.